Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick reminder before we get started to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 194. If we start with this bottom row, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got the 9 here now, so 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this column, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 3 here, so 8, 3. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 7 here, so 3, 7. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, or a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this top row now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. That 1 makes this our 7, 1. For this middle box now, we're missing 6 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. That 6 makes this our 8, 6. And to finish out this box, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.